Welcome to the second part of our Takeaways in 3 Tech Vision 2021 series. In this episode, I will talk about 3 of the 5 technology trends from Technology Vision 2021, our annual research that predicts key technology trends that will shape businesses and industry over the next 3 years. The theme of Technology Vision 2021 is Leaders Wanted, Masters of Change at the Moment of Truth. So we have 5 trends in the Technology Vision 2021. The first trend is Stack Strategically, Architecting a Better Future. Second is about Mirrored World, the power of massive, intelligent digital twins. The third is I Technologies, the democratization of technology. Anywhere, everywhere, bring your own environment is the fourth trend. And finally, from me to we, a multi-party system path through chaos. I'll focus on 3 of these 5 trends. The first trend that I would like to talk about is Stack Strategically, Architecting a Better Future. This means companies should put importance on how they develop their technology architecture and how it integrates with their business strategy. How companies develop the technology architecture, and the architects are strategic to business. Companies are changing their technology architecture to make it more flexible to their needs. There's no one size fits all. When we consider stacking the architecture, we can talk about cloud, at one side, and how do we extend it to the edge. We'll talk about how we apply data and AI and putting that in the business. In terms of the user experience, creating an experience layer, especially as we incorporate the new realities on an experience. And finally, making sure that we incorporate security. And that's what we talked about, stacking strategically. One of the ways in which Accenture helps companies in building their technology architecture is through Accenture Cloud First. We actually invested about $3 billion in September 2020 to form this organization. And over the 3 years, to help clients rapidly become cloud-first businesses and accelerate their digital transformation. The second trend is I Technologies, the democratization of technology. We said that every business is a digital business. Every business is a technology business, which means every person needs to know and be fluent in technology. We also need to provide them new tools and platforms that allows the average person to develop application in minutes rather than relying on IT professionals. Technologies like robotic process automation, natural language processing, low-code, no-code, such as Honeycode from AWS, Power Apps from Microsoft, Appia, Mendix, are empowering people to harness technology for their business to solve their problems on the ground. In Accenture, the way we're doing this is we have a program called TQ, or Technology Quotient, which aims to educate all of our 500,000 plus people about technology, such as cloud, AI, blockchain, and the like. Regardless of roles or function, we are required to learn and understand technology. And we're using massive open online courses, and you can use this as well outside, and other online courses to empower people to become technologies and become citizen developers, citizen data scientists, and the like. The third trend is Anywhere, Everywhere, which speaks about creating a new culture of working. A culture of bring your own environment, not just bring your own device, which is part of it. We have all seen and experienced the disruption of COVID-19 on how we work. In weeks or months after the lockdown, employees shifted to working from home. In our new reality, successful organizations will be the one who favors the rethinking of their workforce model that adapts to the changes. In the bring your own environment models, leaders can rethink the purpose of working at each location and lean into the opportunity to imagine their business in this new world. This include new modes of working, such as using virtual reality. And in terms of like onboarding, we're using that from an Accenture perspective. We are using that for our innovation platform, our technology summit. And in Accenture in the Philippines, we put our people first. We enabled more than 55,000 people to work from home in a matter of weeks after the lockdown. We continue to foster a culture of innovation by shifting to virtual all of our innovation initiatives, such as our annual technology summit and innovation competition. And despite shifting to virtual, we were still able to generate over 16,000 plus innovation ideas from our employees. I hope these insights will help you become masters of change in our new world. This is JP Palpallatoc, and that's a wrap.